Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Medico Voice. Today I am going to share some important mnemonics of general pharmacology. So let's start. First of all, I am talking about enzyme inducers. Enzyme inducer का मतलब है ऐसे ड्रग्स जो एंजाइम्स के एक्टिविटीज़ को बढ़ा देते हैं। तो उसके लिए mnemonics है Rani's brown car goes put put and smokes. Here, in Rani, R stand for rifampicin, which is an anti-tubercular drug. In Brown, B stand for barbiturate. In Car, C stand for carbamazepine. And in Goes, G stand for griseofulvine. In Put, P stand for phenytoin. And in this Put, P stand for phenobarbital. And in Smokes, S stand for smoking cigarette. Smoking is also an enzyme inducer. Next one is enzyme inhibitors. Enzyme inhibitor means ऐसे ड्रग्स जो एंजाइम की एक्टिविटी को घटा देते हैं. उसके लिए mnemonics है विटामिन के कैन नॉट काउज एंजाइम इनहिबिशन. हेयर विटामिन में V जो है उसका मतलब है वाल्प्रोएट. K है उसका मतलब है कीटोकोनाजोल. Here C stand for cimetidine. And in cows C stand for ciprofloxacin. Here E stand for erythromycin. And here I stand for INH, that is another name for isoniazid. Now come to the next mnemonic, therapeutic index. Therapeutic index means ratio that compares blood concentration at which drug becomes toxic and the concentration at which drug is effective. उसके लिए mnemonics है TILE. Here TI stand for therapeutic index and LE stand for lethal dose and E stand for effective dose. तो therapeutic index का फॉर्मूला बनता है LD50 by ED50. इसका मतलब है median lethal dose divided by median effective dose. Now come to pharmacokinetic. Pharmacokinetics is the combination of two words, pharma and kinetic. Pharma means drug and kinetic means motion. इसका मतलब है किसी ड्रग का हमारे बॉडी में किस तरह मोशन होता है, किन किन स्टेप्स में वो हमारे बॉडी से गुजरता है. उसके लिए mnemonics है ADME. ADME means A stand for absorption, D stand for distribution, M stand for metabolism, and E stand for excretion. Now come to zero order kinetic drug. For this, mnemonic is put an end to the war. Here in put, P stand for phenytoin, A stand for aspirin, E stand for ethanol, T stand for tolbutamide, Here T stand for theophylline, and in var W stand for warfarin, which is an anticoagulant drug. Now come to the next mnemonic, that is the drug acting on microtubules. For this, mnemonic is the microtubule growth voiding chemicals. Here T stand for thiabendazole. Thiabendazole. In microtubule, M stand for mebendazole. And in microtubule only, T stand for taxol. In growth, G stand for griseofulvin. In voiding, V stand for two drug, that is vincristine and vinblastine. In chemical, C stand for colchicine. Now the next mnemonic is drug in which dialysis can be done. For this, mnemonic is MAL, M-A-L. M stand for methanol. A stand for aspirin. And L stand for lithium. Now come to the next mnemonic. Drug in which dialysis is not effective. For this, mnemonic is avoid, A-V-O-I-D, avoid. Here A stand for amphetamines. V stand for verapamil. O stand for opioids and organophosphate. I stand for impyramine. D stand for digoxin. Next one is presentation in the case of lead poisoning. It means lead poisoning अगर किसी पेशेंट में होते हैं तो क्या क्या प्रेजेंटेशन वो लेके आएगा हमारे पास. Here the mnemonics is A to G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A stand for anemia. B stand for basophilic stippling. Basophilic stippling means basophilic granules present in the cytoplasm of the cell. C stand for colicky pain. D stand for diarrhea. E stand for encephalopathy. F stand for foot drop. And G stand for gum or lead line. Now come to the next mnemonic, that is lithium. What are the side effects in case of lithium overdose? For this, mnemonic is lithium, L-I-T-H-I-U-M. Here Li stand for leukocyte increased. T stand for tremor. H stand for hypothyroidism. U stand for increased urine. And M stand for moms be aware. Moms be aware का मतलब है teratogenic effect to the mother. Now come to the next mnemonic, which is Lupus or SLE, that is systemic lupus erythematosus, induced by which drugs? For the drugs that causes lupus or SLE, the mnemonics is SHIP, SHIPP. Here S stand for sulfonylurea. H stand for hydralazine. I stand for isoniazid. And triple P stand for, first P is procanamide, P stand for penicillamide, and the next P stand for phenytoin. So this is all about the important mnemonics of the general pharmacology. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this video is helpful to you all. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of the most important mnemonics of pharmacology. Thank you.